We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today I'm going to share with you some recipes for passing your prop firm evaluation. It's on a blog, so let's get into it. So, here is the blog. I'll put it in the description below and in the comment so that you can find it really quickly. Let's just start off on what you need to consider. So the game plan is you're going to choose a prop firm. It doesn't matter if you choose this one FTMO that I've got suggested, but you need to know your trading parameters. You need to know how you're going to manage your risk. And then part two, you're going to be using StrategyQuant to make your strategies. Those strategies are automated strategies, and they're going to be put on a VPS server. That's a server that's on 24/7. That's the game plan. If we go into StrategyQuant and we put about 13 or 12 different strategies into the portfolio composer, we can create a smooth upwards equity line year after year because all of those strategies are being used in unison and we're sharing the risk in between them. If you go to my original prop firm how to pass blog, on this section right here, I talk about choosing your markets and choosing your weapons. These are the instruments that you're going to build your strategies on. And so here I give you a little recipe. Now, on my newest blog, I will show you many different recipes. Okay, so let's go through those recipes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different recipes of different combination of uncorrelated markets that you can trade on. So you can choose any of these to build any of your strategies on and mix them. Now, there's not any one that's better than the other. You just have to make sure that they're uncorrelated. If we go back into StrategyQuant and you click on the builder, which builds the strategies, and you use this button right here where it says use predefined configurations, we've got default ones for Forex, futures, stock picker, a market, a trend following, a mean reversion, fuzzy, and daily. Okay, but there's lots of different kinds of strategies that you can use for different markets. So let's go look at my blog again, and I'll take a look at 8 different types of strategies that you can make. Okay, we're back on my website. Now let's go over the first one here, trend following. The next one, mean reversion, breakout, momentum, range bound, counter trend, and volatility based. And guess what? I've separated all the different combinations of indicators that you can use with StrategyQuant to make them. And so you can make all of these different templates on your own, separating all the indicators. And let's go on to StrategyQuant and check that out. So instead of using these predefined configurations, we can make our own using the information that I shared with you inside the building blocks. Here you can just click on some of those predefined ones. Now it would be super easy if you could just click this button and press all and then use all the indicators, all the signals, but there's just going to be way too many combinations. So that's why you want to separate everything and make the configurations separate for all of them. So trend following, you only want to choose, 10 indicators and 10 of the signals. And then mean reversion, same goes for that. And you'll also see in that same blog the different market order types you can use, and then also the stop limit blocks that you can use. It's got that in the blog, some guidance on that part. Okay, and so if you're only picking 10 or 12 different indicators for a trend following, then it's going to take a lot less time to find a trend following indicators, and you're using the right ones right away. So you're not running the builder for on and on and on, building with tools that are not going to work. And then if that trend following configuration that you made doesn't create a really great strategy for you, well, then that maybe currency pair doesn't work well with that. So then you're going to create a mean reversion configuration, or some of the other ones, a breakout, a momentum. And then one of those is going to work really well on that financial market that you're using, and you can just use the best one. So you're going to have to test a lot of different strategy styles on each currency pair, or index or CFD gold, whatever you're testing it on. But there's not that many that you're gonna use. You're only gonna go through maybe 8 to make that portfolio, and that's it for this one. Click that super like button for me. Write me a comment, tell me what you think about this, or just shoot me an email. I love to hear your feedback. I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.